In a cheerful land called Debateville, children love to talk about their ideas. Today was an extra special day because it was Debate Challenge Day. All the kids gathered at the big oak tree to participate. The leafy branches waved in the gentle breeze, listening in as the children prepared. Among the eager debaters were Lucy and Max. Lucy was known for her curious questions, while Max was admired for his thoughtful answers. They were to debate whether kids should have more playtime in school. Lucy, with her blonde hair tied up in pigtails, stood on one side of the leafy podium and began passionately. I believe kids should have more playtime at school because it helps us learn better. Just like when birds take breaks in flight to rest, playtime gives our brains a break too. Max, with his twinkling blue eyes and a friendly smile, paused, nodding as he listened carefully. When it was his turn, he spoke thoughtfully. While playtime is fun and important, more study time can help us become wise like the old owl over there, pointing at a wise-looking owl that occasionally opened one eye to observe the kids. The debate continued, each child presenting their point of view with enthusiasm. But there was something special about this debate, active listening. As both took turns, they made sure to truly absorb each other's perspectives. Lucy repeated back what Max said. "If I understand you right, Max, you're saying that studying more makes us wise. That's a great point." And Max responded in kind. "So, Lucy, you think rest makes us more productive?" "Agreed. Rest is important." Finally, it was time for the opposition summary. Lucy summarized Max's argument. Max said that while extra playtime is helpful, more study makes us wise, just like the old owl. Listening to that, I've learned wisdom and learning are important too. Max also summarized Lucy's argument. Lucy shared that playtime helps our brains relax and that rest can lead to better learning, much like birds need breaks. It's an insightful thought that our brain muscles need some rest in our learning journey. When they finished, the whole crowd, including the wise old owl, gave them a delighted cheer. The town heroes understood each other well because they used active listening. As the sun began to set, Mr. Timber, their friendly teacher, introduced them to the Blueprint Family's activity. In this activity, Mr. Timber explained, you'll share what you've learned today with your family, listening to their ideas about how to resolve conflicts. Remember, our keyword is understanding. As the children went home with smiles, they knew they'd become not just better debaters, but masters of active listening. All thanks to a fun day in Debateville. Oh, how grand it is to grow through understanding one another.